This conference will now be recorded.
Hello all, good morning. Welcome back. Can you see my screen, everyone? Online? Yes. Today we start Google Cloud, GCP. Fine. So in this session, we'll try to understand what is cloud platform, what is Google Cloud Platform, various cloud providers, why GCP, and GCP services, regions, zones, and resource scopes. So we'll try to understand all these things. Okay. Yeah. So we already gone through AWS, right? So GCP is a blueprint of AWS. Whatever services we have in AWS, the same service, same functionality will be available in GCP and Azure also. So this is some terminology will be different. Terminology. So in this GCP, we can call it as VM. The server we can call it as VM, right? So VPC we can call it, right? So some terminology will be different. Difference is there, but functionality wise, all the platforms are same. So whatever we discuss in AWS, the services. So here also the same services available. So networking, storage, servers, okay, routing concepts, everything will be same, right? Fine. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing and ఏంటండి? So we discussed already. So I found some definition here. It is the on-demand availability of computer system, resources, storage, and computing power without direct active management by the user. So this is the definition which I found from Google. So what does it mean? So let us assume that there is no cloud concept. Okay, we are handling physical servers, local data center. Okay, so let us assume that. So when we are using physical servers, okay, so when we are maintaining physical servers, we'll have direct access to the servers, right? So we don't, yeah. So when we want to perform any activity, we'll take full control of them, right? So that is the case few years before, right? So currently, cloud introduced. Currently, we are using cloud servers, right? So whenever we use cloud servers, that servers hosted in cloud data center. So when you want to connect the servers through some interface will connect, and so we will not have any full control of them, right? So cloud vendor will have full control, right? So whatever resources we want to use in cloud, that resource we can use as much as you want. For that, we have to pay the bills like gas bill, electricity bill, right? So whenever we use cloud servers, okay, so it is like a renting purpose, renting. So how many hours you use, for that hours we have to pay the bills, right? Like gas bill, electricity bill, right? So these are not our local servers, these are virtual servers, right? So cloud computing, right? So it will support like databases, security, okay, remote access, okay, and different functionality. Okay, fine. Next one is the benefits of cloud computing. First one is costing. Okay, cost. So cost is here we have pay as you go and free tier, right? So different things are there. So cost is important, right? So whatever servers we are using, whatever storage we are using in cloud, for which we have to pay the bills, right? So it is nothing but it is the the model is like pay as you go. The model is pay as you go, right? Whatever the utilization we are utilizing, for which we have to pay the bills, which is nothing but pay as you go, right? So next one is on demand. On demand and demand. Anyone have a yeah. Whenever you want to have any server, it should be available immediately. That is nothing but on demand, right? For example, I require one server. It should be available within 1 minute. That is nothing but on demand. So whereas physical environment, for example, if you want to have physical server, right? So we have to procure with vendor, we have to place the order, right? So we have to wait some time. So they deliver the server. We have to move the server into data center. Okay. We have to configure the server. We have to deploy the application. Then we can go to production. We can access. It will take some time, right? But whereas cloud, whenever you require any server, it should be available. It will be available immediately. That is nothing but on demand. Network. Next one is broad network access. What is this? Whatever resources we are using in cloud, those are accessible from anywhere, right? From your home, from your office, from your mobile, even mobile also you can access resources. Okay, from anywhere we can access this resource. That is nothing but broad network access. Performance. So here GCP is having, Google Cloud is having used data centers, used data center footprints, right? So whenever they have used hardware, definitely performance will be increased. Okay, so whenever you want to connect your servers, immediately quickly can connect. Right? So performance wise, they have very used data centers. We can connect our servers, so very faster, right? Next one is scalability. Scalability means whatever resources you want to use, you can use as much as you want, right? It will allow you to use as much as you want. So for that usage, whatever usage you are using, for that you have to pay the bills, right? Security. Security is very important here. Every platform they're trying to give best security, because if the security concerns happen in the cloud platform, so eventually the customers will switch to other platform, right? Security is main concern. When any customer want to take this platform, the first question is security. How the security will be implemented. So GCP is maintaining different layers. Backend they are maintaining different layers, which are like DDoS protection and security center, firewalls. So many layers they are maintaining backend to protect customer applications, right? So that is security. Yeah. Next one is, what is the Google Cloud Platform? So what is Google Cloud Platform? What is Google? Basically, what is Google? Google and ఏంటండి? Yeah, Google is a data company. If you want to search, if you want to get any information, directly will go to Google and will go get the information, right? It is a data company, right? Google platform is a cloud platform, right? Next, why Google platform? Okay, so first one is very important thing here is community support. First one is community support. So Google is providing very good community support. For example, any product released in Google, so they will give you community access. They will share the information community portals so that you can learn how to use that and you can use the services. Okay. Next one is cost effective. Compare with other platforms, Google Cloud is a bit cheaper, and also whatever services we are using in Google, compare with Azure and GCP, it is cost effective. Okay. Next one is flexibility. So flexibility is more important here. Okay. So the applications which we are hosting the Google, those are very flexible, right? We can use flexible way we can use. Next one is scalable. So whatever resources we are using cloud, so those are scalable. For example, storage. Okay, storage, whatever size you want to use, you can use. For that usage, you will get the bills. Next one is reliable. Reliability is also more important, right? So, for example, so services which they are providing, if they are not reliable, what will happen? Customers definitely they will search other platform. Reliability, customer reliability. So customer support is more important, right? Customer support. So Google is providing very good support. Secure. So whatever applications, whatever databases we are hosting on GCP, so those are very secure. They are maintaining different layers here, security layers. Next one is fully managed. Okay, so this is fully managed. Whatever applications we are hosting in the GCP, Google platform, those are fully managed. Fast. So it is a very faster, right? So performance wise, Google Cloud is very faster, right? These are the important things here. Why Google Cloud platform means these are the features available. Next one is cloud computing market. So this is a year-on-year growth from 2012 to 2018, year-on-year growth. And next one is, see here, so on 2021, the growth rate is 12.5%. CAGR means compound annual growth rate is 12.5%. Next one. So cloud platform, GCP cloud platform, Google Cloud Platform services. So what are the services they are offering? GCP offering compute services, networking services, cloud AI services, artificial intelligence, and big data services, storage services. So these are the services offering by GCP. Let us go one by one. Compute services. Okay, so here we have compute engine. Okay, app engine. So container engine, container registry, cloud functions. Okay, so these are the compute services. If you want to create any server, okay, we'll go to compute engine. Okay, if you want to create any application, we go to app engine. So this is platform as a service. App engine means platform as a service. Okay, so if you want to create any instance, we create in compute engine, right? If you want to create any storage, you can create in container engine. Okay. Next, networking services. So here we have 5 types of networkings. Okay, cloud virtual network. Next one is cloud load balancing, cloud CDN, cloud interconnect, cloud DNS. These are the network services available. Cloud AI services, artificial intelligence, cloud machine learning, cloud vision API, speech API, okay, natural language API, translation API, okay, so jobs API. So these are the AI services, cloud artificial intelligence services. Big data services, BigQuery, data flow, okay, data prop. These are the different big data services available inside of the Google Cloud platform, right? Storage services. So cloud storage. Okay, normally when you want to create any storage, so means bucket storage, buckets can create in cloud storage. Cloud big table, this is for databases. Okay, cloud data store, this is also for databases. SQL also for databases. And persistent disk. Persistent disk means the servers which we are creating in cloud in GCP, we use persistent disks. In AWS, what are the disks we use? What are the types of disks we use? EBS volumes, right? For servers. Here we use persistent disks. In GCP, we use persistent disks. Next one is other services. Other services like See here, apart from storage, network and compute services, other services are security tools, whatever security tools we have. So cloud platform security, cloud security scanner, okay, cloud IAM. Through IAM also we can create security. Cloud resource manager, okay. So these are the security tools, management tools, stack driver, monitoring, logging, error reporting, trace, debugger, cloud shell. So these are the management tools. Even though here cloud control, cloud shell, these are the logging management tools. Next one, developer tools. So these are the cloud SDK. Cloud SDK means cloud software development kit and deployment manager. So cloud source repositories, cloud tools for Android Studio, cloud tools for IntelliJ, right? So different tools are available. See here, and also cloud tools for Visual Studio Code, right? Different things are available. Cloud Test Lab. These are the developers tools. Normally, developers, when they want to use any developer tools, they can directly open these tools and they can use these tools, right? Next one, cloud locations, okay. Different locations are there. So here regions, different region, 24 regions are there, 73 zones are there, and 144 network edge locations are there. 200 plus countries and territories are there. 200 plus countries and territories are there. So these are the cloud locations which are available currently. So they are increasing year on year. They are increasing locations year on year. Every year they are increasing data centers, right? Data centers and regions. Year on year they are increasing, right? Next one, GCP regions and zones. These are the regions currently available. So whatever blue color dot is there, those are already established regions. So whatever white dots are there, those are future region for future regions. So they are established. Currently they are establishing this, right? So whatever blue color are there, those are already in running state. Next one, yeah, these are the networks, okay. So network connectivities. Next one is the products and available by location. Yeah, this is very important. See here, first we can discuss about Americas region. So in Americas region, so compute engine. So Oregon region is there, Oregon. So these are the basically in Americas region. These are the different regions. Okay, in Americas region, in this Oregon, compute engine is available. Okay, so and Los Angeles also. So normally when we talk about cloud, okay, so all the services will not be available in all the regions, right? So for example, if you take AWS, even AWS also, right? So some services will not be available in Mumbai region. Some services will not be available in Europe region, right? So based on the regions, they will divide, they will assign, right? So the same way, this compute engine is available in all the locations, all the regions in Americas. See here, App Engine is not available in Oregon region. Google Cloud, sorry, Google Kubernetes is available in all the regions in Americas. So because Google is providing Kubernetes is free of cost. Google product, right? Kubernetes. That is why. So Google is giving free of cost. When any customer take this Google platform, Google is providing free of cost this GCP Kubernetes. Okay, that is why. So all the regions, this service will be available, right? And also cloud functions. is not available in Oregon region. So Cloud Run will not be available in Los Angeles, Salt Lake, and Las Vegas. These three regions, Cloud Run is not available, right? These are the Americas regions. These are the services. Okay. Next one is Europe region. So Compute Engine is available in all the Europe regions: London, Belgium, Netherlands, Zurich, right? Frankfurt, Finland. So Compute Engine means that is main service. So when you want to create any instance means VM, we can use Compute Engine, right? So App Engine is not available in Netherlands and Finland, right? Kubernetes Engine is available in all the Europe regions. Cloud Functions available in all the regions except Netherlands and Finland. Next one is Cloud Run is available in all the Europe regions. Cloud Storage also available in all the Europe regions. Next one is Asia Pacific. So Compute Engine is available in all the Asia Pacific regions. App Engine not available in Singapore and Taiwan region. Kubernetes Engine is available in all the regions. Cloud Functions not available in Singapore and Taiwan, right? Cloud Run is available in all the regions. Storage, Cloud Storage is available in all the Asia Pacific regions. Yeah. Cloud Storage for Firebase is not available in Mumbai region, right? Next one is multi-region. This is important. Okay. So Americas region, Europe region, Asia Pacific region. So they have given some services, right? But when we talk about multi-region, so most of the customers, they will take multi-regions because, for example, one service is not available in Asia Pacific, they can access from Europe region, or else they can access from Americas region, right? That is why most of the customers, they will opt multi-region services. Multi-region services are a bit costlier, but so this is very important one. So most of the project teams, they opt multi-region services, right? Next one, global product, globally accessible products. Okay, so these are the products which are accessible through different regions, multi-regions. Globally, you can access these products like networking services, cloud CDN, cloud interconnect, cloud DNS. These are the network products we can access globally, right? And next one is data analytics. So these are the global products. Next one is management tools. So these are the tools which are accessible globally. Resource manager, cloud building API, okay, different things. Operations, okay, so cloud logging, cloud monitoring, cloud trace, these are the operations. Next one is the developers tools, okay, so cloud source repositories, cloud build, okay, so these are the things available. Next, security products, cloud data loss prevention, security command center, identity and access management. IAM services, global service, right? In AWS we discussed IAM and S3 bucket, those are global services, right? The same way here also identity and access management is global service, global product, right? Next one is mission types and pricing, right? So in AWS we have T2 micro, T2 nano, T2 large, T2x large, so many types, right? The same way in GCP also we have different types of missions which are like N1 standard one. This is basic server, one virtual CPU, 3.75 GB RAM, right? So this is the pricing per hour. This is the pricing. N1 standard 2 virtual CPUs, 7.5 GB RAM. This is the pricing. per hour. N1 standard 4 CPUs, 15 GB RAM, right? So N1 standard 8 CPUs, 30 GB RAM. N1 standard 16 core CPUs, 60 GB RAM. Yeah. GCE means this is Google Cloud, something they give extra feature. Okay. So we'll check it out and let you know. Okay. So these are the types of missions. We have few more types of missions available, which are like N1 high mem 2 high memory servers. Okay. These are the high memory servers. 2 core CPUs, 13 GB RAM. Right? 4 core CPUs, 26 GB RAM. So these are the high memory servers. High CPU servers also available. These are the high CPU servers. So these are the N1 high CPU 2, right? CPUs, more CPUs. Okay. Next one is AWS versus Google Cloud Platform. So some differences are there here. Okay, let us try to understand. See here in AWS, 2 CPUs, 8 GB RAM. The costing is $68. Okay, this is $50, right? Next one is the market share. So here current market leader is AWS. At least 100 services available in AWS. So here, yeah, growing and evolving 60 services and counting, right? Next one is, yeah, so when we create AWS account, we'll get a free tier account. So almost all the services we can use within that limit. 1 year free tier account will get that. Within that limit, we can use all the services in AWS. In GCP, so when we create account, we'll get $300 credits. Within that $300, we have to use the services. Within that limitation, we have to use. But whereas AWS, it is free tier account for 1 year. Within that, some 750 hours you can use, right? So, but here it is not like that. They provide $300. Within that only, we can use the services. Next one is largest instance offered by AWS. 128 CPUs and 4 TB RAM they're offering. Okay. Yeah, largest instance offered by GCP, 160 CPUs and 3.75 TB RAM. Largest servers. Next one is comparison and miscellaneous. Yeah, telemetry better and good. Okay, some telemetry service. Application support. In Google, it is good and AWS is better. In AWS better. Containers. In Google, it is better. In AWS, it is good. And the geographics, right? GCP, good, and AWS is better. Okay, these are the things available, right? Any questions? It is a bit theoretical part, right? Yeah. Fine. Now, how to create AWS account? Sorry, not AWS account. Google Cloud Platform account. How to create? How to configure that, and also how to enable the services. So we'll try to understand. I'll show you how to create GCP account. So meanwhile, today you can create account. From tomorrow, we'll start working on GCP services one by one. Now, if you want to create account, cloud.google.com. You can go to cloud.google.com. So before that, you have to create one email ID. So that you need to set the email ID. Okay. So click on this cloud.google.com, enter this, and yeah, once you gave this, click on go to console. Okay, directly it is going there. So cloud.google.com. This one. Console directly will go. Okay, don't give this. Cloud.google.com. First I close this. Now it is showing, see here, get started for free. So when you type cloud.google.com, it will show you get started for free. Click on this. You can select your email ID, any email ID. Okay. So for example, I want to select my different email ID. So this one. Log in your email ID. So after that, it will ask you to provide some details. See here, country you need to select, terms and services. You can give agree. See here, right side, get everything you need to build and run your apps, websites, and services, including Firebase and the Google Maps APIs. Okay. See here, these are the $300 credit for free. So within this $300, we have to use the services. So this is for only 90 days, not for 1 year. Within 90 days, you have to use. Otherwise, it will be expired. If you utilize within 1 month, right, what will happen? If you complete within 1 month, this $300, next, it will not be accessible. Okay. Utilization will be completed. If you use beyond the limits, you will get the bill. Okay. Within that $300, you have to use the services. Okay. So this is for 90 days only. Click on continue. You can select, you can give your phone number, and for your phone number, you will get some code. That code you can enter here. After that, it will ask you personal or business. You need to select personal. After that, you need to give your address and all. After that, finally, it will ask you to provide credit card details. So credit card details we have to provide, credit card or debit card. So without a credit card, this account will not be accessible. Okay, it will not be activated. Okay, so you have to provide credit card details or debit card details. Then you need to submit that. Once you submit that, it will take some time to enable. It will not. So this GCP a bit slower compared with AWS. It will not activated immediately like AWS. So when you create an AWS account, it will be activated within 30 minutes maximum, right? But GCP will take some time, some 8 hours, 24 hours it will take. That is why you have to create the account today itself. Okay. So once you create this account, it will take some time to activate. So if the account is not activated within 24 hours, we have to send some email. I'll give you email ID. We have to send email to Google team so that they will activate. Okay. So I'll ping the email ID in our group. Okay. So if it is not activated, you can send email to Google team so that they will activate immediately. Right. So you can create account today itself. So from tomorrow onwards, we'll start working on services. So once you created account, okay, once account is activated, the URL is to connect your platform. URL is console.cloud.google.com is the URL to connect your platform. Log in into console. Console.cloud.google.com. Okay. Enter. You have to give your proper email ID. Yeah, you have to provide your valid email ID, then only it will be connected. Cancel this. Six. Select your project here. Yeah, this is my account. Okay. So first, when we log in into the console, so we have to select our project, default project. Okay. Now, if you want to walk through this, tomorrow we'll walk through this. I'll give you a small idea about this. So if you want to check services, click on this. These are the services. Billing, if you want to check billing, AM, IEM, compute engine, cloud storage, VPC, app engine, Kubernetes engine. So even the Kubernetes also can build a cluster here. Okay. Next, BigQuery, marketplace, billing. So many features are available, right? So you can walk through tomorrow. Okay. Once you complete your account creation, so we'll walk through this tomorrow. Okay. And also we create some services tomorrow. How to create server instance, how to create VPC, how to create AMI, IM user, how to switch to IM user, and how to create bucket storage. All these things will cover. In GCP, we have one monitoring tool which is Stack Driver. Stack Driver like CloudWatch. Okay, so we can use Stack Driver in GCP. So this is dashboard actually. These are the services which we are using in GCP. So this is a navigation menu. From here you can access all the services. Tomorrow we'll walk through this one by one. Okay. some errors. Fine. So tomorrow we'll walk through this, all the options. So GCP console is like it is not like AWS, complete white screen. Okay. So AWS is services wise some color coding they used, but here it is a blue and white combination. So completely white screen will be. So we can, and also services when we create instance or VPC, so it takes some time to activate. Okay, so it is not like AWS. In AWS when we create VPC or storage or whatever, so immediately it will be affected. So here not like that. GCP and Azure bit slow compared with AWS. Okay. You can activate your account today. So tomorrow we'll work on different things. Okay, some activities. So first we'll walk through console, all these options, all these services. Okay. After that, we create VM instance and also we create network. One by one we'll go through. Fine. Any questions, anyone?
So can you share the Terraform documents?
Suresh, yeah, go ahead, please.
Yeah, sir, can you share the Terraform
documentation, right? Yeah, documents I'll share. Terraform document, one important document is there, and also other supporting documents available. I'll share today. Okay, yesterday I was busy, I forgot actually. So today I'll share with you. Which happened?
Terraform once more the point to history, how to put the commission is
A file, TF file. Okay, move చేస్తాం. TF file మళ్ళీ మూవ్ చేయడం. అంటే TF స్టేట్ మళ్ళీ మనం బ్యాక్ తీసుకోవాలంట. స్టేట్ ఫైల్ మనం బ్యాక్ ఎందుకు అవసరం లేదు. అంటే ఒకసారి సేవ్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత మళ్ళీ తీసుకుంటే కరెక్ట్ అయిపోతుంది కదా. సో వీ కెన్ సేవ్ ఇన్ S3 bucket one. ఓకే, రీయూజబిలిటీ కోసం. ఓకే, సో మీరు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనకు ఒక 100 సర్వర్స్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం, రైట్? సో TF state file if you keep in your local, what will happen? Local when you terminate and when you modify, the configuration will be gone. That is why we save in S3 bucket, right? So when you want to modify anything, when you want to reconfigure, using that TF state we can reconfigure. Like, so connectivity will be there from S3 bucket TF state file to one backup file will be there. in our Visual Studio Code. బ్యాకప్ ఉంటుందండి, అది రీక్రియేషన్ చేయొచ్చు. బ్యాకప్ ఫైల్ నుంచి రీక్రియేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అది పోతే మనకి ఏం చేయాలి లేదండి, ఆ స్క్రిప్ట్ నుండి చాలు, సేవ్ చేసి పెట్టుకుంటాం కదా, రీరన్ చేస్తాం, సింపుల్ రీరన్, దట్స్ ఇట్. Right, I'll share the documentation today so that you can go through that. So you can practice. So GCP will take another four sessions. Okay. So we can complete maximum 5 sessions only. GCP. Azure also we complete within 5 sessions. Okay. After that we'll work on we'll have some general sessions. After that we'll work on projects. Fine. Yeah. Meanwhile, you can create account today. Tomorrow we'll work on different services. Okay. Fine. We stop here for today. Thank you all.